This scene is made possible, safe from the sun, and a whole lot more comfortable because it's literally made in the shade. When we taped this video, it was a beautiful, bright, sunny day, temperatures in the mid-80s. Really the best time to play. But thanks to the shade, kids and parents can rest easy and play longer and harder because there's much less chance of exposure to the sun and heat. Let's take it back just a little. Same playground, when our install crew replaced an old play structure with a new maple bluff structure. These guys are thorough, perfect measurements and placements, solid construction, all surrounded by a thick carpet of rubber mulch safety surfacing. But this playground island is surrounded by concrete and buildings, no nearby tree cover. So there's safety below, but nothing above from the potentially damaging UV rays of the sun and the heat that comes with it. So this job is finished, almost. The customer here decided on that extra layer of comfort and safety, a shade. Here's how we do it. Our crew starts by drilling holes for 4 large posts that will support the shade structure. This one will be a 4-post hip shade. It requires drilling, digging, and earth moving to put the solid steel posts deep into the ground. Now time for concrete. You want this to last, to stand up to the elements. Once that's poured and set for 2 to 3 days, the crew assembles the upper framework of the shade on the ground, then lift up the entire frame. Not the easiest process. It calls for patience, precision, and some careful maneuvering so every joint is put safely and securely in place. Perfecto! Now it's time to hang the shade. Our sun and heat blocking shades come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and materials. This shade will have a 10-foot entrance height, providing cover for the entire structure. The crew threads cable around the bottom of the shade material. The fabric has to be pulled tight to be properly installed. Glide elbows make this step so much easier and efficient. Glide elbows have a fabric hook with a cable guide at each end. As the drive nut at the end is tightened, it moves the hook holding the fabric down towards the end of the pole, tensing the fabric. Once it reaches the end, put on the protective cap and you are good. Now it's time to play. The glide elbows also make removing and rehanging the shade much faster and easier. We recommend that in case of a serious storm or for the duration of the winter. Play with confidence, play with comfort, play with safety from the sun and heat at AAA State of Play.